Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. I just wanted to show you my page kit, my unicorn page kit. You are magical, one of a kind. And this is page kit number ND8. And it's already complete. I'm not doing a how-to assembly video on this. But I just wanted to kind of give you a quick little walk through how I did it. So in the kit, if you would like to pick up one of these kits, the link is below in the description. Just click on that and I'll take you to my shop and you can pick up one of these kits. I've pre-cut all of the papers for you. All you have to do is glue it together. And so you'll see you get 2 solid layers and then 1 decorative paper already cut for you. And then you have some strips here. So you're going to glue those all together. And this set of strips is about 1 inch. So this area here is about 1 inch when you're gluing that down. And then I've popped these up. So I use foam squares to put the title on. That's completely optional. Of course, that makes your pages thicker for adding into your books, but that is what I do. And the white does not come in the kit. That just represents the photograph. And I do have these stickers that I printed off. I have these in my shop as well as a digital printable if you'd like to pick those up. And then on this side, we have a corner circle that's already cut for you in your kit as well. Just glue it together. And then same thing here. And a shout out to Miss Kate Cuttables. These are her beautiful unicorns, her title piece and her stars. I just added the one of a kind. And I kind of tweaked it a little bit and changed things up a little bit. But that's her beautiful unicorns there. So a shout out to Miss Kate Cuttables. Check her out. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to pick up one of these kits, go ahead and click on the link below. Thanks so much. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click that bell for notifications. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram where I post updates of upcoming projects. And have a great day.